everyone! So today I'm going to be doing a makeup look on the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. It is so nice. I love it. It's very, very, very similar to the Modern Renaissance palette. The top one is the Modern Renaissance and the bottom one is the Soft Glam. So they're very similar kind of colors, I feel like. I feel like the Modern Renaissance just definitely has a lot more like reds and burgundies and that sort of thing, whereas the Soft Glam kind of has some more oranges and golds. For me, I feel like this is one that I would go to grab a lot more than the Modern Renaissance because I wear a lot of those kind of like orange and warm tones, and then you've got some nice glittery shades to kind of mix it up. So this is probably, I might like this one slightly more, but I love the Modern Renaissance too. So really hard to decide, but this one definitely does have a lot of those like red and like burgundy and dark pink colors, which like I personally don't wear as much. So I feel like the Soft Glam is a little bit more like wearable for every day for the average person. If you were to like my kind of makeup style and a palette, like this just like encompasses like my kind of makeup that I do a lot. So I really, really love this palette. I think it's perfect. I think it's one that everybody should own just because it's, I don't know, I literally love it so much. So I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys today. I'm just going to show you how to get this eye look, and I've worn this in my last few videos as well. So I really, really like it. I love the colors. I think this is a good look for everybody. It's just kind of like nice and soft, like I said, but also like it looks really pretty and girly. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and let me know in the comments if you guys would like to see some more makeup videos. I feel like I've definitely been doing more outfit videos lately, so if you would like to see more makeup videos from me, let me know so I can see what you guys like to see. I hope you guys enjoy the video and just keep watching to see how I got this makeup look. So I'm going to start off the eye look with this color right here. It's like a nice kind of like transitional color, and it's like orange and kind of like warm toned. So I'm going to be starting off with that orange soda color. I'm just going to be using this fluffy brush. Next I'm going to go in with this color right here. It's directly below that and it's called Burnt Orange. And this is just kind of nice to darken it up. Also a good transition color. Now you can see I've got a nice amount of color kind of built up from those. So now I'm going to take this color called Rustic, which is just a couple over. Those the colors we just used. So Rustic right here. And it's just a little bit darker brown, and I'm going to be using a slightly smaller brush and just applying that kind of in the very outer part just to like add a little bit more dimension. And you just want a tiny bit of this on your brush because you don't want too much or else it'll be hard to blend out and it'll be more than what you're wanting. So now I'm going to take my flat kind of like brush and I'm gonna spray some Fix Plus on it. I love applying my base shadows wet. It just makes them pop so much more. It makes them more pigmented, and I just like always do that with my base color. So I'm gonna take this color Glistening right here. So I'm just gonna apply that. And I'm just going to go back and just kind of blend that back in with all those darker shades. And I'm just going to take this brush right here. It's just kind of like a flat sort of brush. And I'm going to use this bronze color right here. Really pretty. I almost used that on the base, but I've just been really loving this glistening color. So I'll definitely probably use this as a base at some point because it's really pretty. So I'm just going to apply that on my lower lash line, kind of like the middle and inner part. That's usually about as much as I'll do on my lower lash line. I don't like taking all the dark colors and smoking it out. For some reason, I feel like it just really closes up my eye because I do so much on the top part. So I just kind of like keep it kind of light on the bottom. Now I'm just going to take my So Hollywood Illuminator from Anastasia, which is what I used for my highlight. And I'm just going to take a tiny bit of that on my brow bone just because I feel like the Soft Glam palette didn't have like a really like a light shimmery color to use for my brow bone and everything to highlight, so I'm just going to use this. I like to take this little teeny tiny brush and then also take that same like highlight color and just put that on my inner corner to brighten it up. And that's it for the eyeshadow. So that's just like a nice kind of like pretty like neutral look, not too crazy. I'm going to use my Benefit They're Real push-up liner for my eyeliner, and this is like my favorite eyeliner product. It's like the only thing I can do winged eyeliner with. Okay, I just went ahead and finished my eyeliner off camera because it is so hard for me to do it on camera because I have to be at such an awkward angle to fit it in the camera frame. So I just went ahead and finished it off camera, but that's what it looks like. It looks a little crazy today, but it's okay. And I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara just to coat my eyelashes. Even though I'm going to put fake eyelashes on, this will just help blend them. I'm just going to be taking an old pair of Queen Bee lashes. I've worn these like literally a ton of times, but they're still looking decent, so I'm gonna use those. I always use the Duo lash glue. It's my favorite. And if you have a pair of lashes that you've worn a few times, it's always good to kind of take your tweezers and just kind of pick off any like glue on there so they're nice and clean and fresh and not like have a ton of glue caked on them. So I'm just gonna take that and coat it with some lash glue. So once I get my lash with like a nice coat of glue, I usually just set that down for a second, and then I'll go ahead and coat the other one with glue. And sometimes I'll just go and like, if it's like a regular morning, like I'll just go turn my curling iron on, look and figure out what I'm gonna wear, and then come back a minute or so later because it allows the glue to get tacky. I don't like to just blow on it and wave it around because then the glue like moves and gets on the lashes and doesn't stay on the lash band. So once the lash has gotten tacky for a second, I'll just go ahead and take that and set it down. And you don't want it to get too tacky because then it won't be wet enough. You want it to still be pretty like wet, but not too wet. Not too wet because it'll just slide around. So now that I've got the eyes all done, I'm just gonna finish off with my Morphe lipstick. I use the liquid lipstick in the shade Virgin. This is my absolute favorite lipstick. It's what I wear every single day. You guys are always asking me what I'm wearing. This is literally what I'm wearing all the time. It's like the perfect pinky nude. Okay, so that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you recreate this makeup look and you absolutely love it. Like I said, I definitely recommend this palette. I know there was like some fallout and everything with the Subculture palette. A lot of people didn't like it. I can't really say because I never really tried the Subculture palette, but I feel like this one is really good. I think it's definitely comparable to the quality in the Modern Renaissance. So these are very, very similar, like I said. So I definitely recommend this palette. I really, really love it. I think of all my palettes, this might be one of my favorites just because, like I said, it is all of my favorite colors that I go for. I feel like it's more wearable than most palettes because it doesn't have all those like crazy colors that you wouldn't normally wear. Like all of these colors are very wearable and they're very day, but they're also good for like a glam neutral eye. So I literally can't go on enough about how much I love this palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said in the intro, make sure to let me know if you guys would like to see some more makeup looks on my channel because I've kind of gotten more into outfit videos rather than makeup, and I want to know if you guys want to see more makeup videos, if you want to see more outfit videos, like what do you guys like to see on my channel? Let me know because I am going to be planning out videos. Make sure to thumbs up the video if you enjoyed and you'd like to see more makeup looks. Leave a comment below. Like I said, what videos you kind of like to see the most. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed and follow me on social media. Thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.